Papa needs a slack tub. Hey YouTube. All right, I stressed over this for all night pretty much. What am I going to do for tonight's project on our Blacksmith video a day? And a couple of changes are going to happen. I decided that I'm probably not going to, these are not all going to be Blacksmith videos. Mostly because of just burnout. I can see it already. I mean, this is video 5, I think, and I'm already kind of like, do I really want to do this for video number 6? You know, so, and there's a lot of other things I want to get done too. So like we're going to start integrating some of the work for Rusty and the restoration on the power hammer and that kind of stuff is all going to be mended into this. However, for tonight, Papa needs a slack tub. Anyway, hang on. Let me take you over here where the forge is. So we've got this is my forge, and you know, my little crank bellows are over here and my hood and stuff. But I've always imagined a slack tub right here. Just someplace that my water, so that I can cool handles, cool things. I don't have anything right now. I got a bucket here with some oil and stuff hanging here, but that, you know, that's not appropriate for just, you know, a little quick dip or controlling your heat or whatever. So what we're going to do today is, because I was working with some sheet metal today, some Cor-ten, and I've got, this is one of a lot of sheets that I have, just little fragments, little drops from projects around here. There's another one over there. We're going to utilize that to make part of our slack tub. The other thing though, one of the key elements in this, I have this piece of 6x6 by, I think this is 188 wall, hollow steel section, square tubing. I don't know, 3.5 feet long. We're going to cut it to length, and what I want to do is, it's going to be the kind of this is going to be a slack tub like one I've never seen before. So I like to put a me spin on everything I do. I've got this piece that's going to come in handy for part of it. It's a I don't know, it looks like 2x6. By 1/8 inch, 120, or either 120 or 125, I don't know which, but anyway. Anyway, that's what we're using. And that's what we're going to start doing tonight. This will probably not be finished tonight because there's a major component that I need to go pick up. I need to go get a weld bung or a weldolette or whatever you want to call it. This is particularly in particular, I'm looking for a bung, but I can make a weldolette work too. It doesn't matter to me. I'll use a coupler. Doesn't matter. But I want to put a threaded port on the bottom of this tank so that I can drain it, you know, without making a huge mess. So, anyway, that's what we're doing tonight. So let's get started. I don't know if you can see this or not. Yeah, you can see it right here. It kicks out, same as this one over here. It's always amazing to me at how much tension these things are under. Oh, I remember what I bought this for. Anyway, not important. Anyway, so I got all my pieces cut, I think, hopefully, maybe, we don't know yet. You know, there's no drawing. I didn't make a drawing. I'm just flying by the seat of my pants. So I'm going to go ahead and maybe see if I can straighten that, knock that back down. I don't know. I don't know if it's really that important, but I'm going to take the grinder and clean up these edges, clean up the edges on all these pieces of Cor-ten, and start laying it out to see if it fits. So, yeah, that's where we're at. All right, I went ahead and ground all this stuff, all the slack and stuff, the slag and stuff off of this stuff. If you want to hear me grinding on metal, there's plenty of videos I've got in the past. It just mostly sounds like this. Okay, there, anyways. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's my slat tub. So anyways, there it is. I haven't decided a few things yet, like whether or not I want to build a bracket that mounts it to my table that my forge is setting on, or if I want to put some feet, make it a little wider so it's a little more stable this direction. And I'm going to put down in the bottom, I'm going to put a bung or a welded ladder or something along those lines so that I can put a valve so that I can connect a hose and drain it so I don't have to drag the heavy thing out. But I like it. I think it's just exactly what I wanted for Christmas. So anyway, that's part one. Tomorrow, all those welds will probably be sealed just fine. I think they'd hold water. I didn't have any of them that looked suspicious or anything, but I'm still gonna take the inside there and smear some sort of sealer like a caulk or some silicone or something along those lines. And so we'll finish this tomorrow. So till next time, bye. I'm wishing for the one I love. Must be a dud. One of these days I'm just going to upload a video of a grown man crying in his garage for 14 minutes because of his foolhardy idea that he was going to post a video a day.